A very cool feature that Samsung has added to Galaxy Fit 3 is the ability to use it either on left wrist or right wrist, so you can change the orientation of the display as well as this button. So let's go in settings, go in general, and here you will see this option orientation. Go in here. So right now it is my default setting left and the button position would be right, so I'll wear it like this. But if I select it right and then button position on the left, it rotates and now I can wear it on my right wrist and still have this button on the outside, just like I use it on my left wrist. A very crucial feature that Samsung has added to Galaxy Fit 3 is hard fall detection. So you can turn on this feature as well by going in settings, go in emergency and safety, and here you will see this option hard fall detection. Go in here, turn this on. When your band detects a hard fall, it will signal your phone to call your emergency number for help. So whatever emergency contacts that you have selected on the phone, the band will call them. You can set your emergency number in the emergency SOS settings on your phone. So if you go back, you can set up your emergency contacts by tapping here and setting it on the phone. A very important health feature that they have added on Galaxy Fit 3 is the ability to measure your sleeping blood oxygen levels, and you can get access to these settings by going in settings on the band, then go in health settings, and here go in sleep, and here you can turn on blood oxygen during sleep. You can then see your blood oxygen levels during sleep on the Samsung Health app on your phone that you have tracked with your Galaxy Fit 3, and here it will show you the entire graphical data of your blood oxygen levels during sleep and any gaps in the readings. A really cool feature that Samsung has added, and it was about time, is the always on display on Galaxy Fit 3. So all you gotta do is swipe down and tap on this button here and it will turn on the always on display. And then if we go in the always on display setting, you will see that it's a beautiful always on display. You get big numbers, it's very distinctive, and it's all because of the AMOLED display, 1.6-inch AMOLED display that they have added on this band. With these beautiful watch faces, this always on display looks gorgeous. A very important feature that they have added to Galaxy Fit 3 is the ambient light sensor. So you can turn this on from the band as well. So go in settings, then go in display, and here you will see this option adaptive brightness, and this will increase or decrease the brightness based on the ambient light around your band. So if it's dark around you, the brightness will dim down to not hurt your eyes.